The one lesson we can learn from the California wildfires were spoken by Jesus almost 2,000 years ago. Don't store up your treasures here on earth, where moths eat them and rust destroys them, and where thieves break in and steal. Store your treasures in heaven, where moths and rust cannot destroy, and thieves do not break in and steal. Wherever your treasure is, there the desires of your heart will also be. That's not to say we can't have any nice things on this earth. I'm an automotive enthusiast. I like exotic cars, but that doesn't make exotic cars my God or my motivation. These things can be used as tools. We must keep the first thing as the first thing. Our hearts should be in the kingdom of heaven because it's imperishable and we will all pass on from this life. A Ferrari will be destroyed by a careless drunk driver. A mansion will be destroyed by a wildfire, but the kingdom of heaven will be imperishable forever.